Honestly, I didn't think Uniqlo could make such a practical backpack, and it's perfect as a personal item for travel. Today, I'll pack it to see how much it eats, test its water resistance, and try it on so you can see how it looks. This 24-liter backpack weighs less than a pound, about 400 grams, which is insanely light for its size. If you fly budget airlines, that means more room for the things that actually matter. So let's see how much it can hold. Inside, there's just one large compartment, almost like a bucket-style bag, and a padded sleeve for a laptop. And yes, my 16-inch laptop actually fits in this sleeve, which is pretty impressive for a bag this size. I start filling it with my usual travel setup, fully packed cubes and pouches with enough clothes and essentials for a 1 week, and everything fits really well, as you can see. In the front were a couple of smaller pockets. One of them has a built-in key holder, and I actually clip my travel wallet to it so it stays secure and easy to grab. And the rest of my small items go in there too, things like sunscreen, diapers, and other quick grab essential. And here's a tip: you can lock the front pockets together with a small padlock. It gives real peace of mind, especially when you're traveling solo. I love the pocket in the flap. I keep my sunglasses there so they stay protected and separate from everything else. Next, I use one side pocket for my 21-ounce bottle and the other for a compact umbrella. Both fit pretty good, and if you are not using the side pockets, you can snap them shut to keep the bag looking neat and tidy. There is also a quick access zipper on the side, so you can get into the main compartment without fully opening the top flap. Really handy when you are on the go. Packed up, this backpack can actually stand on its own, no tipping over, and I have to say the materials feel solid and the YKK zippers glide really smoothly. Now, water resistant test. The fabric has a water repellent finish and the water just beads up and rolls right off. I'd give it a 10 out of 10 for light rain protection. Really impressive for a bag in this price range. Then I put it on, it feels really comfortable. The curved shoulder straps sit nicely and don't dig in. Even the bag is full. The straps adjust easily, the back panel is breathable, and overall it feels light and easy to carry all day. The only thing I really miss is a luggage pass-through, and that's actually pretty important if you travel a lot, but with all the space, smart pocket layout, and the almost $60 price, and even less if you grab it on sale, this is still a really nice choice. It's good for EDC, travel, and college.